Hello. Hello, ma'am. Regarding sa project natin, gusto ko sana palitan yung tile product natin.
Papalitan yung yung tiles. Maybe okay na tayo no?
Hindi. Gusto ko lang sana siyang itry. Oo. Okay lang yun. Oo. Kahit maiba.
Basta pag-uwing lang.
Oo. Sige na. Oo. Hindi, ako bahala. Ako bahala.
Sige, sige.
Ha? Okay. Sige. Bye-bye.
Hi guys, I'm Argatech RJ. So, ito, may bago tayong product. Tile product. So, kung gusto mong makakuha, click the yellow basket. Ako na!
Arky, sabi ko sa'yo ang rupok ng tiles na nirecommend mo ay yan tuloy. Nagkahiwa-hiwa na ang paa ko at duguan na. Bago, ang mahal nito tapos depektibo.
Baka po sa gawa ng mga workers.
Anong gawa ng mga manggagawa? Binabayaran kita para mag-supervise, hindi para mag-inarte lang sa site. Leche. Ayusin mo to putang ina mo, mag-refund ka o ipapasara ko yung firm mo.
This is a clear case of unethical endorsement and conflict of interest under the UAP Code of Ethical Conduct, particularly Article 2, Section 3.5. Architects are prohibited from participating in paid advertisements or endorsing construction materials. The profession demands independence, integrity, and loyalty to the client, not to commercial gain.
When an architect allows money to dictate decisions, safety is compromised, clients are deceived, and the dignity of the profession is endangered. The lesson is clear. An architect must never sell his or her professional judgment. Endorsement must never replace evidence, and no amount of money is worth sacrificing ethics.